Okay. Nuki's first lesson and coming back into the house. The fact that it's a good thing. Here we go. You see, as soon as I turn to face him, he wants to take off. Nukies! See how to leave it. See how to leave it. Nukies! I couldn't get him to take it. I'm going to keep this door closed. He loves the dogs. He and Nikki have already been... Sorry I didn't have my camera out there, but getting him back in the house is an effort. But he and Nikki already were outside playing. I'm the mama. You're the baby. You better listen to me. What do you think, buddy? He's amenable to the puppy voice. Oh, I see you there, Theo. I will not be ignored, Mama. And neither will I. And neither will I. What do you think, Theo? That guy's got real things. He's got the real things. Yeah. Excuse my laundry on the chair. Never seems to get put away. Well, not this week. Okay, I better get posting some of these videos. Louise will have my head. Yeah, Miss Louise will have my head. You are a doll. You are a big baby. You're my big baby.